I am a fan of Hannah Yeoh. I think she's an excellent MP. She's an excellent minister, excellent leader, very admirable. Dia tak racist, dia tak bigoted, dia rajin bekerja, she shows integrity, resilient and generally pleasant. Tak ada nak gaduh dengan orang, tak ada, very nice. Tapi dia pun decided to do this speech lah. That dia buat kerja, dia tak pilih bangsa, dia tak buat ni, dia buat kerja tu, ya semua betul semua. Cuma dia tak berapa faham kenapa orang ada isu yang dia ni from DAP jadi menteri wilayah. The point is, it's not because something is wrong with her. What Hannah Yeoh need to realize is something is not wrong with her. That's why they don't want her. They don't want her because they think she's racist. They don't want her because they know she is not racist. They don't want her because she may abuse her power and do unfair things and give unfair edges or unfair disadvantage to people. No. They know Hannah won't do that. Because of that, she's not suitable for their agenda. They want their own kind who is biased. Their own kind saya tak cukup tau. It's got to be someone that is biased, yang racist, yang berat kepada Melayu and will actually ban and use their power or influence to benefit certain quarters of people. They need benda macam tu as menteri wilayah. Jadi bila pemimpin yang bising kata, oh patut di tangan Melayu tampak kuasa patut orang Islam, why? They want unfair advantage given to Muslims or to Melayu or to their kind. They want this, they need this. Pasal tu dia nak pemimpin tampuk kuasa situ supaya whatever the rule is, it is whatever the decisions and whatever the outcome is unfair but to their advantage. This is why anybody who want people of their own kaum or their own agama to be a leader or to hold power, it is because they want something extra that is not deserving. Itu sebab dia you nak you punya kaum. Jadi kalau orang banyak bising, banyak cakadak, I hope PMX, the government, the kings remain steadfast lah. Lantap lah, bagus. Bubuh siapa ke DAP ke anybody, doesn't matter. I'm not all pro DAP ke apa, doesn't matter, but she's DAP and she's a good punya character to be menteri wilayah. And hopefully when the time comes for matter of pardon ke apa ke, she stand firm based on the rule of law lah. Tak tahulah kalau Agong nak twist her arm ke apa ke dalam pardon board, itu I don't know how she will dance, but there's a reason why Anwar Ibrahim pilih dia lah.
Monday, 26th of January, is the International Day of Clean Energy, designated by the UN to highlight the central role of clean energy in achieving climate goals, sustainable development, and energy justice. The day underscores the transition away from fossil fuels towards renewables, efficiency, and equitable access, especially for the global south, where energy poverty and climate vulnerability intersect most sharply. An invitation. Join me on Monday, 26th of January 2026 over lunch to discuss this and other issues related to nutrition and health. Full details are as follows. Day and date, Monday, 26th of January 2026. Time 12:30 to 14:30 hours. Venue Cafe MAB. Address Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB. Jalan Tabing off Jalan Tun Sambanthan 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. Attendance. Attendance is free of charge for all persons with disabilities, PWD holding an OKU card. However, places are limited and depends on donations and sponsorship received. Donation attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted participants. Minimum donation is RM20, which should cover your lunch as well as for 1 PWD. Any balance will go towards my various eye treatments. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope, so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed now seek the skies, and slowly, clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way, for others wandering through despair, to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul, and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.